From ancient Rome to modern law courts, one legal text continues to echo through time: the Corpus Iuris Civilis. But where did it come from, and why does it matter even today? By the 6th century, Roman law had become a mess, contradictory, outdated, and overwhelming. Justinian I saw law as the backbone of a just empire. He aimed to organize centuries of legal tradition into a single, clear code. Commissioned between 529 and 534 CE, the Corpus Iuris Civilis, or body of civil law, had 4 parts. The code consisted of imperial laws. The digest consisted of juris writings. The institutes consisted of a legal textbook, and the novels consisted of new laws. Together, they created a powerful legal framework for the Byzantine Empire. The code was forgotten until Irnerius, a legal scholar in Bologna, rediscovered it around 1080 CE. He began teaching Roman law at the University of Bologna, triggering Europe's legal renaissance. 2 centuries later, Bettisia Gozzadini became one of the first women to teach law publicly. She studied the Corpus Iuris Civilis and taught it with authority, preserving and spreading its influence during a time when women were excluded from legal circles. In 1158, Holy Roman Emperor Frederick I Barbarossa declared Roman law, especially Justinian'S code, as authoritative for imperial courts. This move gave the Corpus Iuris Civilis real legal power in Central Europe. The Roman legal tradition was passed down through universities and judges. Its logic and structure became the basis of what we now call civil law, influencing the Napoleonic Code, the German Civil Code, and many others. In 1804, Napoleon Bonaparte codified French civil law in what became known as the Code Napoleon. It was deeply inspired by Roman law and the Corpus Iuris Civilis, and it spread across Europe with his conquests. South American legal systems adopted civil law during independence in the 19th century, inspired by Napoleon's Code and Spanish legal traditions rooted in Roman law. Legal scholars and leaders in countries like Argentina and Chile studied European codes to draft their own. Today, over 150 countries use civil law systems built on principles found in the Corpus Iuris Civilis. These include most of Europe, Latin America, large parts of Africa, and Asia. The Corpus Iuris Civilis gave us more than rules. It gave us legal logic, rights, and the foundation of constitutional thinking. Its influence reaches from ancient empires to modern democracies. What began as one emperor's dream for order became a global legacy. The Corpus Iuris Civilis is not just history, it's living law.